Hi, this video is about symbols that I use in the electrical circuits. So when you work in any industrial plant, there are like electrical panels, and sometimes you have to deal with the issues failure in this panel, and you need to know how to read the electrical wiring diagram, and there it vary from like 1 to 2 pages to like 500-600 pages, that many pages for the electrical panels. This video show that symbols that I use in to represent the different items in the electrical wiring diagram. Okay, so the first one is the relay. So there are like many magnetic contactors and the relays. So this is for the relay. Relay contacts, usually this call also the normally open contact. Switch disconnect here. Fuse, that is simple. Single pole single throw switch, single pole double throw switch, double pole double throw switch, double pole single throw switch, and look something like this when you draw it. Okay, so we just delete that one. Okay, make contact normally open contact, break contact normally close, two-way contact mainly used in the residential wiring diagram, passing make contact, spring return, stay put, limit switches. Limit switches sometimes they use for the safety features. For example, there is some motor is running, and that motor is running in some closure, and if somebody try to open the door, there is a danger that that can cause accident. So as soon as somebody open the door, this limit switch they open and they break the circuit. Okay, so usually limit switch I use in those cases. Circuit breaker, spring return, limit switch normally open, normally close here. Two position switch, three position switch. This one they use in the three-way wiring diagram, three-way residential wiring, when you have two switches and you can turn switch on and off using both switches. Okay, four position switch, manual switch, pressure make using the air compressors, push button brake, also called as a stop button, push button 2 circuit. This one is used kind of for the interlocking. Selector switch, you can select, depends where your knob is. Shortening, it short two of the contacts here. Proximity switch, there are many, I think 2 or 3 kind of induction and magnetic proximity switch. So like sometime in the window security, when there is a magnet, and the magnet can make the, as soon as this magnet comes next to the switch, that switch can make open or close, depends on what kind of switch is used. Time delay make, so it turn on after some time delay. Time delay break, it after timer turns on, it will take some time to break the contact. Similarly, time delay make, time delay, this is the second one. You can use this one or this one. Safety interlock, flow actuator, liquid level actuator, another one. Sometimes this can be used as the oil pressure switch, like you want to make sure that there is enough oil, and that will close the switch when there is enough oil pressure. Gas flow, pressure actuator, temperature control switch, thermostat, temperature switch here. This temperature switch is they use in the compressors and those places. Interior switch, never heard of it. Mercury switch, isolator, usually using the circuit breakers. Changeover contact, also using the power distribution systems. Relay coil, pilot light, these are like on and off. When some contactor is on, this switch go in parallel with the contactor coil, so you know that the contactor is on or off. Okay, so hopefully you like this video, and you can use it in the electrical wiring diagram if you are using those one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.